Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change or customize your Windows sounds in anything. It's a very simple process to do that. Just simply follow me step by step. So first, we have to open our Windows setting. For that, you can press in your keyboard Windows plus I. It will going to open our Windows settings, and then you can simply come over into the system. Into the system, you have to come over into the sound, and then here you have to click on more sound settings. Here it is. And now you can simply see, you can simply close the background, and then here you can simply click on sounds. So from here you can simply change everything. You can simply see all the sounds over here. So you can simply change it. Like I want to change this one. So for that, what you have to do, you have to pick a sound first. And then here we're going to come over into this website, and here we can simply select any of these. Like I'm going to select this error sounds, or maybe what a good
What a
boy
good
this sound.
boy.
So if I just click on this and simply download mp3, can download. And after complete the downloads, you can simply, your file is rightly here. So here what you can do, you can see it's mp3 file, so we have to make it wv. So for that, we're going to type mp3 to wav. So here I will going to convert it. Just select on it, select the file, this file, click on convert, and now download it. Click on downloads, and here it is, the wav file. So now what you have to do first, you have to simply select it and press on cut, and then come over into the music folder and simply paste it over here like this. That's it. Now what do you have to do? You just have to open the sounds. Here it is. And from here you can simply click on the browse option and simply select music. From here you have to select What a Boy sound. And the sound is rightly selected. If you test it,
What a good boy. What a good boy.
can you hear it? It's perfectly okay. Now you can simply apply and okay. That's it. So this is how we can simply set customized sounds for your Windows PC in a very simple way.